good. Alright, before we start this video, I want to do a shout out to a couple of my subscribers. And I want to do a shout out to Shannon, CVPI. He has a Crown Victoria, man. He keeps that thing sparkling clean. And I also want to do a shout out to the cop car. He just recently got him a Crown Victoria. He previously had the police model Impala. Just want to shout out to both those guys, man. Just want to say thank you for watching my channel, man, and you guys are doing pretty good on your channel also. But let's get started with the video. Hey, what's up everyone? Back again with another video on the Crown Victoria. Today we're going to be talking about reasons you should keep your engine bay or engine clean. I already cleaned this one. I know you guys seen the clip of it getting pressure washed at the car wash. A couple reasons you should keep it clean. For one is the sale or trade-in value of your car. It'll help, give you a little extra edge on it. If you go buy a car, man, and the engine bay is super dirty, you're not gonna really want to buy it, because you might feel like they haven't took care of the car, or it look like it might have grease all over it, but it could just be from a lot of buildup and years of not cleaning the engine. Second reason to be for maintenance purposes. Now, if you got a dirty engine bay, you're not gonna really be able to notice any leaks or where the leaks are coming from. Let's put it like that. If your valve covers are leaking, or you got a leak and the whole engine is dirty, you're gonna have to clean that up to find out where the leak comes from. But if you keep it clean, you'll pretty much be able to see if you have any leaks without having to go wash the engine every time you have a leak. So I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys the engine after it then got cleaned up. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below of the product that I use to clean the engine. But other than that, let's pop the hood. Alright, now basic engine clean, no shine on it, none of that, just pure the chemical that I use to clean it and water. And this is it, this is how it looks. Now if you come to buy this car or any car and the engine bay looks like this, hey, you'd be more persuaded to buy the car versus if it was super dirty. So let's bag this baby out, and I'm gonna let you give you guys a walk around of it, let you see how it looks on the outside of the car. I always give you guys a walk around, or at least I try to. All right, here she go. Got all nice, cleaned, and shining. So let me know what you guys think about the engine cleaning. And if you have any reasons you should keep your engine clean, or hey, if you don't keep it clean, let me know, and reasons you probably don't do it. But other than that, that concludes this video, and I will see you guys next time. I'm out of here.